Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sursur. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw two circles that are pretty far apart. And then add another circle inside on the top left. And color both of these in black. Now tap underneath and let's draw the mouth. In between the eyes in the center, let's draw a small curve. And then let's curve it out underneath each eye and back up. And then curve it back in to the center in the same way. And color the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start by drawing a long curve across on top. And then curve it down on both ends. Now from the bottom, let's curve it back up. And then angle it back in, leaving a gap in the center. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the body. Let's start with two angles down on the left side and two on the right. And then from the inside line, let's bring it down for the sides of the body. Now let's hop back out and let's finish drawing the arms. Let's curve each of the lines going downwards. And then a curve across at the ends. Now underneath, let's draw two lines down. And a curve again at the bottom. Now let's move under the right hand and let's draw a zigzag line down. And for the left hand, let's start with two angles. Angle it back in. Now top in and let's draw another set of angles. And in again. And then close off the bottom of each side. And that's it for the first set of arms. Now let's move back in, and on the chest, let's draw a patch. Let's start with a curve near the top here. And then a V shape underneath. Now to finish off the body, let's draw the legs at the bottom. Let's curve it down and out on both sides. Then two more angles inside. And then close off the bottom of each leg. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the second set of arms behind. Let's start on top of the left arm and let's draw two angles going out and down. And then curve them down again. And a curve to close off the end. Now for the hand, let's draw two angles going down and out. Angle them back in. And a V-shaped point to close it off. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right arm. For this one, let's draw 2 angles going down and out. Now let's bring them back up. Angle them up again. And then a curve up to close off the end. Now for the hand, let's draw 2 lines up on top and another curve across. Now step in and let's draw 2 lines up, close off the top, and then a line up in the center. And that's it for Sursur. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!